Hello, today I'll be reviewing two things, and one of them isn't review. One of them is a minifigure blind bag, and you can get loads of monsters in it. And also, this is something that I'm really excited for, and this is popcorn and a puppies. Yeah, so I just got this today. And I thought I would open it on camera because she's so super cute. And we're going to see how many puppies. Woo! So you can still get in the box right now, but and feel her hair. But that's it. And then I'm going to open it. But first I'm going to open the, what are these called? Minifigures. And there's series 14, and I'm going to open it. Okay, let's see which one I got. Let's see if the leaflet tells us. So, this is the leaflet. And there are the characters that you can get. You can't really see everything today, guys, because the light's not very good. So I have to do that. So the character that we got, it didn't send to, is... Ooh, this looks interesting. I'm going to build this as quickly as I can. Because like I say in my other videos, my phone just goes off sometimes and I don't know why. So I'm going to build this as quickly as possible for you guys. Okay. Here's the pirate guy. Oh, his hat just came up. So here he is. So that's the pirate guy. Right. This is not working. But it's a pirate guy. Near the sword. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm going to be opening popcorn. So I've got my scissors with me. So you can just... Oh wait, you don't need scissors. So look, you can just do it like that. And like this. And you just... No! How do you get this out? Ah, I've got it. Oh, I'll just go and get out of the box, out of camera. Right, so let's have some safety grips. Okay, and she's free. Popcorn is free and she's beautiful. Just look at this little popcorn. So, she is pink and she has a bow in her hair and the end of her tail. And she's wearing this little necklace that has a PF on it. And that means puppy surprise. So I'm going to see which one, how many we got. So we got a sleeping girl. See the girl? And she's so cute. Oh my god, they're really soft. So that's her. Actually, I'm going to try that again with the pirate. Oh look, there's a better look at him. But anyway, that's the puppy. And she's beautiful. Alright, let's open another one. We got another one. And this one's awake. And it's another girl. I like the girls. And we got one more. And it's a runt. It's a runt. So that's that. It's the runt. Alright, this is the difference between that and the runt. Can you see a difference? Now, oh my god, Popcorn's got loads of stuff on it. So there. Alright, anyway, I got 3 pups, and you either get 3, 4, or 5, and that is what I got. Oh, that's hanging off that. So, this little girl gave birth to 3. She's so cute. And by the way, these puppies are really fluffy like her mother.
He's trying to get up the stairs to you.
Let him up then. Sorry about it. It's just my new puppy.
Come in. See there. Oh, he's up.
And he's just learned how to climb the stairs. And it's a little puppy. Just like Popcorn.
Shout at him.
Memphis!
With a clicking sound.
Okay, so that is that. So, bye everyone. Say bye to Popcorn. Bye.